Hello everyone, welcome back to your Google Classroom. We discussed the chapter Fire, Friend and Foe in the previous class. We learned that we need three things to make a fire. Which are they? Fuel, oxygen and heat. We know that we can reduce the fire by removing any of these three things. We have some textual activities related to this lesson. Let's do that now. All of you take your textbook, open page number 120. Working with language. First one, read the following sentences. To burn paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. We generally do it with a lighted match. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it burns. The verbs in italics are in the simple present tense. Which are the verbs given in italics here? Heat, catches, do, has and burns. So these are in the simple present tense. When we use it, we are not thinking only about the present. We use it to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Find 10 examples of verbs in the simple present tense in the text fire, friend and foe and write them down here. Do not include any passive verbs. For example, the words comes, catches, combines, etc. are used in the simple present tense in this lesson. Find out the rest of the words yourself. Second one, fill in the blanks in the sentences below with words from the box. You may use a word more than once. The words given in the box are carbon, course, fire, smother. First one. Gandhiji's life was devoted to the dash of justice and fair play. The answer is cause. Gandhiji's life was devoted to the cause of justice and fair play. Second one. Have you insured your house against dash? Have you insured your house against fire? Third one. Diamond is nothing but dash in its pure form. Diamond is nothing but carbon in its pure form. Fourth one. If you put too much coal on the fire at once, you will dash it. If you put too much coal on the fire at once, you will smother it. Fifth one. Smoking is said to be the main dash of heart disease. Smoking is said to be the main cause of heart disease. Sixth one. When asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some dash into his stories, Somers Maugham murmured, "No, the other way round." The answer is fire. When asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some fire into his stories, Somers Maugham murmured, "No, the other way round." Seventh one. She is a dash copy of her mother. She is a carbon copy of her mother. Eighth one. It is often difficult to dash a yawn when you listen to a long speech on the value of time. It is often difficult to smother a yawn when you listen to a long speech on the value of time. Third one. One word is italicized in each sentence. Find its opposite in the box and fill in the blanks. The words given in the box are spending, shut, destroy, subtract, increase. First one. You are required to keep all the doors open, not dash. The word italicized in this sentence is open. The opposite of the word open is shut. Second one. Pupil. What mark did I get in yesterday's maths test? Teacher. You got what you get when you add 5 and 5 and dash 10 from the total. The italicized word in this sentence is add. The opposite of add is subtract. Third one. Run 4 kilometers a day to preserve your health. Run a lot more to dash it. The italicized word in this sentence is preserve. The opposite of preserve is destroy. Fourth one. If a doctor advises a lean and lanky patient to reduce his weight further, be sure he is doing it to dash his income. The italicized word in this sentence is reduce. The opposite of that word is increase. Next one. The world is too much with us, late and soon. Getting and dash we lay waste our powers. Wordsworth. The italicized word in this sentence is getting, and the opposite of getting is spending. Fourth one. Use the words given in the box to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. The words given in the box are across, long, past and through. First one. The cat chased the mouse dash the lawn. The answer is the cat chased the mouse across the lawn. Second one. We were not allowed to cross the frontier. So, we drove dash it as far as we could and came back happy. So, the answer is along. We were not allowed to cross the frontier. So, we drove along it as far as we could and came back happy. Third one. The horse went dash the winning post and had to be stopped with difficulty. The horse went past the winning post and had to be stopped with difficulty. Fourth one. It is not difficult to see dash your plan. Anyone can see your motive. The answer is through. It is not difficult to see through your plan. Anyone can see your motive. Last one. Go dash the yellow line, then turn left. You will reach the post office in 5 minutes. The answer is go along the yellow line, then turn left. You will reach the post office in 5 minutes. Speaking and writing. First one. Look at the following 3 units. First, reorder the items in each unit to make a meaningful sentence. Next, reorder the sentences to make a meaningful paragraph. Use correct punctuation marks in the paragraph. Do it yourself. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.